Hello friends, this is tutorial number 75 in this C++ programming language course. In this tutorial we are continue working with streams. We learned how to create a file. Here is our file, test file, which we created in the previous tutorial. Now we want to use this file. Now we want to do vice versa. Now we want to retrieve data from the file. We have here Ford Escort 1992. I will delete some data. We have here Toyota Corolla 1992, and I will add manually one more data. I will add a color which will be gray. Now I will save this file, and I want to create some variables now in our program, and I want to give a value to these variables with this data from the file. Now let's go to our code blocks again. We will delete this from the previous tutorial, and to retrieve a data from the file we need to use we used offstream when we wanted to create a file, and to retrieve a data from the file we need to use fstream. And we need to give a name to this fstream. I will call it IFS. And we need the brackets, and we need a name of the file, but it needs to be correct name of the file. The name of the file, once again, it's a test file. I will close it now. Test file .txt. Okay, we will just retrieve a data from the file. We don't need to trunk it or append anything. It will be enough. And now we want to create some variables. String, but I need to open the file again. As you can see, we have Toyota, which will be the brand, Corolla, which will be the model, 1992, it can be year of manufacture, and gray will be color. We have a brand, model, and the color, which will be a string. Let's create three variables: brand, model, and color. And also we will have one integer variable which will be year of manufacture, MNF. Okay. And now what we want to do, we want to open this file, and we will do it with this fstream. We need to use IFS, and when we use offstream we are using a lesser sign, but this is we are retrieving data from the file, and we will use greater sign. And once more, we have Toyota, which will be a brand. Now we need to type a brand, and we will retrieve more data. We have in our file Corolla, which will be a model. We will type a model, and we need a greater sign again. We have 1992, which will be year of manufacture. Let's type year of manufacture, and also we have a gray, which will be a color. With this IFS we will we will assign the values from this file to our variables. And after we are done, we need to close the stream again. We need to close the file. ifs close. We are done with retrieving a data. And now what we want to do, we just want to print these variables to see if we retrieved the data successfully. Let's print all of these variables. Cout, brand, and line. Now we want to write model, year of manufacture, and we need a variable, year of manufacture, and we need a color. Okay, we are done, and now we can run the program to see if everything will work properly. We want to have in the output the car data, which will be brand, model, year of manufacture, and color. Let's see if everything will work properly. As you can see, brand Toyota, model is Corolla, year of manufacture is 1992, and color is gray, which everything work properly. Of course, we can try to change something. We can change our file. We can save it, and now we can run the program again. The color should be red now. As you can see, color is red. This works properly, like a charm, which is great. Now we know how to retrieve a data from the file. And one thing more that we can do, for example, we are opening the file with this ifs stream, but we can write some if statement, because it will work when we are typing the name of the file correctly. If our file name is not correct, the program will not work properly. We can write if statement. If we have this ifs is open, we can use this boolean. If our file is open, we can type file is opened /n, and we can write else statement. For example, if we have a file not exist, or we didn't type the name of the file correctly, we will have a message cout file not found. And I forgot end line here, and I need end line here to be separated. Now I can try to run the program again. As you can see, we have a statement, file is opened, and we have our data, brand, model, year of manufacture, and color. And of course we write the name of the file correctly, but for example I will delete I will delete some I will change name of the file. Now this test file is it's not correct, the name not correct name of the file. Now we can try to run the program to see what will happen. Okay, as you can see now, file not found, because the name of the file is not we didn't write the name of the file correctly. As you can see, we have just brand, model, year of manufacture with some strange number, and color. We don't have the data what we want, because we didn't write the name of the file correctly. And now I will write correct name of the file again, and now I can run the program. As you can see, file is opened and we have our data which we retrieved from the file, and it works perfectly fine. I really hope that you understand it. In the next tutorial we work now with simple variables, but in the next tutorial we will learn how to create a file and retrieve data from the file when we work with object. I really hope that you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. You have a link in the description, and I will see you in the next tutorial.